Welcome to Unit 9, English for Beginners. In this unit, we are going to discuss things around the house. You're watching learnenglish.I.A.S. I am Imam Ali Safari. Let's get started. In this unit, you will have things around the house. چیزهایی که در اطراف خانه ها یا خانه میبینیم خاطر داریم. For example, homes, rooms and furniture. We will discuss about the homes, خانه ها, اتاق ها و furniture ها. So we have here balcony. This is a balcony. This is an apartment. So United States or American English says apartment block, but United Kingdom says block of flats. So this is it. That's it. So we have here, this is called attic, right? This is upstairs, and these are stairs, and this one is basement. And the thing we have, this is called yard in the US or American English, but British English called garden. This is called garden. Okay, but sometimes remember this, you have to think about this. You should not be confused with yard and garden, because this is the only difference of countries using language, right? How they use language, how they use English language. Like if you're living in Britain or United Kingdom, then you will see garden, right? But if you're in America, then you can see yard. But you can use it both, right? Now this one, a little thing, is a door, and the thing which is up, this one is a roof, and the whole thing is house. كلش خانس, right? This is lawn, chaman, and this is a window, right? And this is a living room where you live, living room. And this one is armchair, and this one is called couch or sofa. Here couch says American English, and American says couch, but British says sofa. And this is a television or a TV. This is bedroom. This is wardrobe. You know it's wardrobe? It's a cupboard where you put your clothes in. It's called wardrobe. This is called lamp. This is bed. And this is a dresser or chest of drawers, because American says dresser and English says chest of drawers, or England says. Now, so what is this? In fact, it is a small table with the drawers that we use for makeup, right? So it's usually in our bedroom. Mezi orange, we can say this, right? Mezi orange. This is called bedside table, where you put your bed. So this is the table where you should put it, right? Bedside table. This is cushion polished, and this is rug, right? And light. Dining room. It's a dining room. We have a table here. Table means we have a chair. Chair is here. Chair. Study. It's a place where you study, right? It can be a room house. And this is a bookcase. It's a kind of cupboard or place where you can put your books. And we have here desk. So you know the difference between table and desk, right? Because desk usually includes drawers and table doesn't. This is a bathroom, and this is a shower. Okay, bathroom and shower. And this is a towel, and you know this is bath, right? This is a bath and this is towel. This is a toilet, and this is a bathtub. So and bath both can be. American says bathtub and English says bath. And this is a refrigerator or fridge, you can say. But this part, which is very cold, this is called freezer. Now we have kitchen here. This is called the kitchen, and we should not be confused here because we have studied both stove and cooker. Cooker is a word used in the UK or United Kingdom, and the stove is a word, it is where Americans use this, or where we can use it in the United States. This is sink. It's a place where you can wash your hand or face. This is a dishwasher, and this one is cabinet, or you can call it cupboard, because Americans says cabinet and English says cupboard, I mean United Kingdom. This is a trash can or trash can, it's the American, or bin, it's the UK, or people say bin in the UK or United Kingdom. It was the 9th lesson of English for beginners. Hope you learn it and enjoy it, and best of luck. Keep practicing and watch my other videos to improve your English. Thank you so much.